Hello, this is another fifth video and it's a little bit bonus. Right now I see somebody was tamping around with the dead tree now. Yep, you see the action? Still an exact location. This is the fifth video I'm giving you, folks. Look at that. Animals. They are disrespecting the rules of nature. Last Tuesday we had that with the doing like a little yard work over there when I was coming home from the swimming when it was so hot. Around in the 90s last Tuesday, yep. And look at this. What are they gonna do now? Oh, I hope it's not the freaking ground. Let me look at this baby. They're making probably a path or something. Look at that giant. There used to be a house over here until around 2011 or 12. The house was actually knocked down. That's why it's been a garden here ever since. Look at that pumping. In New York, we didn't have anything like this in our old neighborhood. All we had just like Indians like tearing down the trees. Speaking about trees, by May 31st of 2008 in New York, in Queens, the next door to our old house on 95th and 121, they tear down the tree. 2 trees they tear down. I think they tear down 1 tree. The only tree still remains is the other neighbor, Portuguese guy named Theodore. But the one we had was stressed. The Indian guy, yeah. And by 2013, they built the shed, like that big patio, to put the cab vehicles into their backyard. Yep, that's how we got cockroaches, because of these idiots since 2003. And they probably flooded the basement in 2018, right before we're moving out of New York. You don't have to worry about that shit anymore. And look at that shit that's coming up. I'm gonna get you like a little. Hold on. I'm gonna open the damn window. Live, folks. I hope you got a comment and subscribe. 5 videos in a row. Hope you're having fun, my audience. our camera a little bit better.
Look at that.
And close this baby up. I hope you enjoyed the 5th and hopefully a bonus video of the tree cutting in my neighborhood. I'll give you like any more updates next time when I have it. You just take care and subscribe. 5 videos. Enjoy them. It's just like another National Geographic. Bye.